Hey, it's Ben. I want to show you the JoyBerri 14-foot trampoline. We bought this to replace a trampoline that just got too old. Okay, first, real quick, I just want to talk about what it was like to put it together. My son and I worked on this. It took us maybe 1 to 2 hours. So what we did was we put the silver frame together, and then we set those up on top of the legs. Then the next step was to fasten all of the springs, and they provide 2 of these, so it made it nice and quick to go all the way around. Then the side supports come in 2 sections. So there's a bottom section and a top section. First, we started with the bottom section, and these were fastened to the leg portions with a bolt here and a bolt here with some washers and spacers. There are poles that are threaded through the top of the net, and those are connected at the top of each pole with a little T. And then that entire top section was lifted up, and we fastened the top half of the support to the bottom half of the support with these little push pins. The one thing we were not sure about was whether or not the clips should go on the inside or on the outside. And so that depends on whether you have the net this direction or if you reverse it inside out, which is possible. We opted for the inside so that kids could get in and fasten themselves in and get themselves out. And then the zipper, it can be either way. So you can zip it from the inside or the outside, which is nice. The net easily fastens to the mat with these clips. They have these tie downs to fasten the pad all the way around, and the pad just protects you from the springs underneath. And then one of the great features of this trampoline is it does come with a ladder. I will say the instructions were really top quality. This also does come with some fasteners, so you can use these to pound into the ground and secure each of the legs to the ground. There were also 2 sets of gloves included in this, which is handy, but we didn't use these, but it's nice to know if you just wanted a little extra protection from working with the metal pieces and the tools. Okay, so we have not hooked these up yet, but these do come with LED lights. So these are in tubing, so they're weatherproof. It does take some batteries, but it has a remote and a zip ties to fasten it to the around the top ring of the net. And there's also a sprinkler feature. So this hooks up to just a standard garden hose. Do like how the bars are curved out, so that gives you a lot of clearance for jumping around. So as you can see, my son, he's a teenager practicing his flips on here. It's plenty big enough for larger bodies. Also, I could move it myself, just one person, when it came time to mow the lawn. Now, I will say I do love this brand. I love the things they talk about, getting kids outside and away from screens. We did have a positive experience with support in that we had sort of a mishap when we were putting this together, and they sent us a few additional pieces free of charge. So that was really great. Overall, we're super happy with this. Love the branding, love the trampoline. Great replacement for our other one that just got too old and lost its bounce. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.